Good evening. You all know who I am. I'm going to start off with a couple of numbers, and thank you to my colleague Denia for giving a little bit of that. So I have the privilege and the burden of representing all of the part-time and full-time faculty at State Center Community College District. That is 750 full-time faculty and 1,618 part-time faculty, 2,368 total. We took a survey, and the highest number ever turned out for it. 326 people took it, and then we followed that up with the largest general membership meeting that we've ever had, more than double the amount of people that ever came out on a cold, rainy night. 250 people showed up, and at that meeting, I was authorized and directed by our membership body to deliver this resolution. Resolution number 2025-1113.1, a resolution of the membership body of State Center Federation of Teachers, the Federation, regarding the conduct and performance of Chancellor Carol Goldsmith, EDD. Whereas Chancellor Carol Goldsmith's leadership at State Center Community College District, as reflected in the November 2025 Confidence and Climate Survey responses, is characterized by a pervasive crisis of governance and value that has centralized power, demoralized the workforce, and led to significant financial and ethical turmoil, whereas the overarching impact of this leadership is the creation of a toxic, autocratic culture that has fundamentally eroded the trust in the district's governing and administrative bodies, whereas the faculty consistently described Chancellor Goldsmith's leadership as rife with, quote, corruption and nepotism, being specifically alarmed by an ethics complaint which was filed after the SCCD Board of Trustees approved a $161,000 contract for a consultant whom the Chancellor frequently referred to as her, quote, goddaughter. Whereas SCCD's annual legal expenses have more than tripled since Chancellor Goldsmith's appointment, with projections exceeding $2.5 million due to a, quote, spike in lawsuits related to alleged retaliation, wrongful termination, discrimination, and First Amendment violations, end quote. While the Cabinet's use of legal counsel and consultants is viewed as a way to shield the Chancellor and her Cabinet from accountability, whereas faculty consistently and broadly report on a culture of retaliation and fear under the leadership of Chancellor Goldsmith, who is also accused of, quote, cultivating a pervasive climate of intimidation and retaliation. And my colleague will finish.